Look what we have today. It's G63 2025 facelift with the dark green color. Of course, you have new rims, double night package. Let's check the car from the inside. Of course, we have keyless enter, and for sure the big seats, diamond seats with amazing interior color. Things in 2025, the wireless charger and the new mouse with the carbon fiber here. See the steering wheel with Alcantara plus carbon fiber. And of course we have heating and cooling seats. And one more thing in the back side. Of course we have rear display sockets and the carbon fiber on the doors. We have two exhausts from both sides, and let's check from here. It's double night package. For more details about this car and other cars, check our website www.777cars.com.